Elon Musk's Neuralink has received the green light from the U.S. Food and Drug Administration for its human trial.
Have you ever wondered what the world would look like if our brains could directly connect to technology? Imagine a future where our thoughts become the controllers, replacing keyboards and touchscreens with complete control over gadgets. That's what Neuralink promises to do. By the end of this video, you will discover how Neuralink plans to change the world. Let's start. What exactly is Neuralink? Neuralink is an innovative neurotechnology company that is at the forefront of creating a brain-computer interface with incredible potential. Their primary goal is to develop a highly advanced implantable device called the Link, which acts as a bridge between the human brain and computers. Imagine being able to control computers, machines, or even your surroundings with just your thoughts. Neuralink's vision is to make this a reality by allowing the human brain to communicate directly with external devices, opening up a world of possibilities. Launched in 2016 by Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla and SpaceX, along with Brian Johnson, an entrepreneur and owner of the NBA's Sacramento Kings. Together, they're driving the vision of merging the human brain with advanced technology for a better future. The main concept behind Neuralink is to ensure that if AI becomes too dominant, it doesn't pose a threat to society. The Link is a coin-sized brain chip, and it's the key component of Neuralink's BCI. Surgically embedded beneath the skull, this chip connects to the brain through an intricate network of thin, flexible threads equipped with 1,024 electrodes. How does Neuralink work? Neuralink's technology works like electrophysiology, which studies electrical signals in our nervous system. The brain's neurons send these signals when they communicate with each other through synapses. They use electrodes or sensors to catch these electrical signals, measuring changes in spikes when the voltages fire or might fire. So they can capture our brain activity data when we actually do something, and even when we just think about doing it, turning our thoughts into actions. The recorded brain activity gets super complex, but they have machine learning algorithms and other artificial intelligence machines to make sense of all that information. It's similar to teaching computers to understand our brains and what we're up to. Now, picture yourself being able to do things you never thought possible, like having instant access to vast knowledge or learning new skills in a snap. Neuralink's tech aims to do just that, and it could change the way we see human intelligence and how we interact with the world. If this works out, it means anyone can upgrade their brain and become a real-life superhero. As long as we have access to AI, the possibilities are endless. How can Neuralink be used? There are many ways in which Neuralink can be used. Number 1. Mobility function. Neuralink's brain-computer interfaces have incredible potential. One of the ways it can be used is to restore mobility for people with paralysis or amputations. By connecting the brain to prosthetics or exoskeletons, they could regain some level of movement and independence. This gives them a way to control their bodies using just their thoughts. Number 2. Sensory and visual function. Neuralink's potential goes even beyond restoring mobility. It could offer hope to those with visual impairments as well. For people who have retinal injury or blindness due to eye injury, Neuralink aims to create a visual prosthesis. They can connect a camera directly to the visual cortex in the brain. Then, using thousands or maybe even tens of thousands of tiny electrodes, they could stimulate the brain to recreate a visual image. It's similar to watching a movie directly in your mind. Imagine the possibilities. Being able to see again, even after losing vision. It could truly be life-changing for those who have been living in darkness. Number 3. It enhances communication. It can help people who can't speak or write by giving them a voice through technology. With Neuralink's brain-computer interface, they could control a virtual mouse or keyboard using just their thoughts. This means they can type messages or surf the web without needing to use their hands. For someone with paraplegia, this technology could be a game changer. They could express themselves, create digital art, and communicate with others using speech or text synthesis. Think about how hard it is to put our thoughts into words sometimes. With Neuralink, it might become much easier to express ourselves. Instead of struggling to find the right words, we could send our true thoughts directly to others. Number 4. Disease prediction and treatment. Neuralink's brain-computer interfaces promise to do even more. By keeping an eye on brain activity, they might help detect and treat various neurological conditions. Imagine living in a world where we can predict diseases before they even happen. With these brain-computer devices, we won't just be reading electrical signals, we'll also be able to detect chemical cues in the brain. They could spot changes in brain activity that might indicate epilepsy, bipolar disorder, obsessive-compulsive disorder, Alzheimer's, or Parkinson's disease. Not just that, they could also monitor mental health symptoms. So if someone is experiencing burnout, fatigue, anxiety, or depression, Neuralink could step in and help. Number 5. It enhances cognitive abilities. Neuralink's brain-computer tech isn't just about fixing problems. It could also level up our brain power. It has the potential to boost our focus, memory, and attention by letting us train our brains with real-time biofeedback and other cool techniques. It's similar to having a personal brain coach right in your head, guiding you to becoming sharper and more focused. Imagine being able to improve your memory or concentration just by using this brain-computer interface. Elon Musk, the brain behind Neuralink, compares it to a Fitbit in your skull, with all the sensors you'd find in a smartwatch. So, just like how a Fitbit tracks your physical health, this link could help us monitor and improve our mental fitness. Number 6. AI symbiosis. Elon Musk brings up a crucial point about our future with AI. As a species, we need to find a way to coexist with advanced artificial intelligence. He envisions a symbiotic relationship where AI becomes an extension of ourselves, like a third layer on top of our emotions and thoughts. Having this AI symbiosis can be beneficial as it allows us to work together, combining the collective will of all humans to shape the world. It's like having a global brain that collaborates for the common good. Musk sees this as essential from a survival perspective. This way, we can achieve a positive AI symbiosis that can safeguard us from potential existential threats. The dark side of Neuralink. The brain chip technology, while promising, raises several concerning aspects that need careful consideration. One concerning aspect is its potential connection to animal abuse. In 2017, just a year after its inception, Neuralink collaborated with the University of California, and the company's brain chip was tested at UC Davis's Primate Center through an agreement worth nearly $800,000. Disturbingly, internal documents obtained by the Physicians Committee for Responsible Medicine, an organization dedicated to ending animal testing, revealed the use of questionable methods during the experiments. According to the documents, researchers forcefully opened and drilled into the skulls of the animals to implant the chips. To make matters worse, an unapproved adhesive called bioglue was utilized to seal the holes in their skulls. The aftermath of these surgical procedures was distressing, with the monkeys displaying signs of severe stress, exhaustion, and an array of physical ailments such as diarrhea, open sores, vomiting, vaginal discharges, and even brain hemorrhaging. The report also shed light on the fact that experiments involving 86 pigs and 2 monkeys had to be repeated due to numerous human errors. This was attributed to the relentless pressure and rapid pace imposed by Elon Musk, who was pushing his team to work faster and harder, both publicly and privately. Additionally, the chip's vulnerability to hacking poses serious security risks, potentially leading to unauthorized access to our brain functions and compromising our privacy and autonomy. Also, the idea of humans merging with artificial intelligence in a dystopian scenario raises ethical and philosophical questions about the consequences of such a transformation. It blurs the line between humanity and technology, questioning what it means to be human and how our identities might change. The future of Neuralink. The future of Neuralink is both exciting and complex. Technology holds tremendous potential to revolutionize various aspects of human life, including healthcare, communication, and cognitive enhancement. The company has conducted successful testing on animals, such as monkeys playing video games with brain chips. Recently, Neuralink achieved a significant milestone by receiving clearance from the FDA to proceed with its first in-human clinical study. This marks a crucial step forward for the company's brain-computer interface technology. The human trial is a major milestone that could pave the way for new possibilities and discoveries. Despite these advancements, the commercial availability of Neuralink's brain implant may take several more years. The journey from clinical trials to widespread adoption can be lengthy and requires extensive testing and regulatory approvals. If you've made it this far, comment down below with the word 100% to confirm that you've received the knowledge from this video. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.